Here you go now, fellas. Here we go. I've got a Two Birds Brewing Autumn IPA. So I'll give this one a crack. Oh. We're in winter now, so I'll drink the autumn beers in winter. How's that sound? Cheers. They reckon it's bold and fresh with fruity hops. I tend to agree with them. That's pretty much what it is. Lovely. 5.8%. Just how I like it. Something with a bit of kick. Unfiltered, so it's even got plenty more IBUs, plenty of flavour. Quite a delicious Aussie beer. Well done, fellas. And it's kept its head. That's got to be your beauty. If you can do that in Australia, you're doing real well. Well, I haven't done too many videos. Soon 55 this week, you believe it or not. So I was quite busy doing the odd thing. Went out for dinner a couple of times. A few other bits and pieces. So we're back on track, so I'll probably do a couple more. Caught up with Pete yesterday. He's off to Thailand tomorrow. Lucky bugger. Just got back from Europe. He's living the life, living the dream. Yeah, he's off to Koh Samui. So that'll be really good. You want to catch up with Simsy, get your ass down to Lamai. Next couple of weeks he'll be down there. Alright. All the best for the weekend, fellas. Hope it's all good. All your dreams come true. And you get a good beer. Because this one's alright. That was pretty good. Cheers.